Hey, it's Joe Crump. This next question is probably not for everyone, but I come across a lot of people who are in the arts, who are interested in arts. I'm interested in filmmaking. I've made, some movies, and there are a lot of people that I come across that are also in different art forms, whether it's music or film or acting, or they want to be a painter or a sculptor. There's a lot of people that are doing this that would like to be able to make a living in their arts that aren't doing it, but they love the arts, and that's their primary concern. Is it possible to use real estate investing to build your life as an artist? Well, there are a lot of things that you can learn from real estate investing that will teach you to be an artist, because if you're going to be an artist, most of the time, if you're going to be able to make a living as an artist, most artists are entrepreneurs. They have to figure out a way to make an income from the art that they're doing. And in real estate, one of the things I teach you how to do is to learn how to market, to learn how to build a list, to learn how to drip on your customers, to learn how to build an audience. If you can build an audience for your art, then you can build buyers for that art, and you can get them to come on board and work with you. And that's what we're doing in almost every business. That's what we're doing in real estate, and that's what you want to do as an artist or any other type of business that you do. I think the beauty of the stuff that I'm teaching here is it will fall over into any business that you do. If I wanted to go out and buy a Subway shop, I could use the techniques that I'm teaching you here in order to do the marketing, in order to get people into my store to buy my Subway sandwiches. If I wanted to, sell my paintings, I could learn how to do that using list building techniques that I teach as a real estate investor. If I want to continue to market on people and I don't want to spend a lot of time doing that marketing, I can create templates of marketing messages that go out over time to people, whether it's text, email, voice blasts, that will go out to those people, that will drip on them and tell them, hey, today I've got this, today I've got this, today I've got this. By the way, don't forget this. You go over to this website and check out this. And you can create templates so whenever you get a new lead or potential patron for your work, you can start to drip on them with more information so that they get to know you and get to trust what you're doing and hopefully want to buy something that you produce so that you can have a sustainable business. Now, with all that said, maybe the goal is not to make money with your art. Maybe the goal is just to have time to do your art. And that's where real estate can come in, because it can give you time back. You only have so much time in this life, and it's running out very quickly. I feel it every day. So I want to make sure that I take advantage of the things that this life has to offer. And there's so much here. There's so much to do, and we have so little time to do it. So if you're spending 40 hours a week at a job, you're giving up a big chunk of your life to an employer. And if you can learn how to have a business that is automated, that is outsourced, that is systematized, that is sustainable, that you can survive and thrive on maybe $5,000 or $10,000 a month, which I think most of us probably could do. If you could do that, you could probably do that in 4 or 5 hours a week and still be able to keep that business going. Now, it's going to take you a few months to learn how to do it, of concerted effort. But once you learn how to do it, then it shouldn't take you very long to maintain that business and be able to put your efforts in something else. That's how I was able to create 2 feature films over the past few years, because they're a huge amount of work. But I was able to do that because of money that I earned as a real estate investor, and because of the time that I had available, because I didn't have to work all the time to make that happen. All right. Hope you'll use these ideas.